If you want that juicy, delicious, flavorful, easy recipe for chicken, trust me, this is the best I will introduce to you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen. We are in day 23 of Vlogmas. Thank you so much. Yes, we are almost there. And trust me, if you prepare this on Christmas Day, everyone will fall in love with it. So just try this after you finish watching the video. To start with this recipe, you have to wash your chicken very well. I have washed it already, okay? I mean, the very first day I bought it from the shop, I washed everything and then packed it in my Ziploc bag and then kept it in the freezer. So whenever I need some, I know if I pick a bag, it contains 5 or 10, and I just start from there. But see, we are going to wash it again, okay? So when you buy the drumsticks, you buy the thigh, or you buy full chicken, around the drumsticks you can see some yellowish thing there. You just have to remove it very well. I have removed mine, and sorry about that, okay, that I did not show you where I just held. Usually it contains that yellowish thing, and sometimes you may not see it there as well, okay? It does not mean it's not good chicken, that's just by the way. So you can see some feathers as well on it. Make sure you remove it very well. Sometimes it is not removable, you just have to use your scissors to cut it, okay? So I have washed it about 4 times behind camera, so I'm just going to show you after I am done, okay, or I was done. Now after I am done washing everything, I will just go ahead and then dry the chicken very well, because we are going to use dry ingredients and we don't want any liquid in there. Even if you use wet ingredients, you still have to make it dry, okay? Yes, it helps a lot. So just try to wipe it some more. If you don't have the clean towel, anything that you think can make it dry, just go ahead and do so. You can just arrange them in your colander, allow the water to drain, and then you proceed from there. So when you want to marinate your chicken, you can do it in so many ways, but today I'm going to share few with you, but I'm going to use only one for this chicken. You remember I brought you chicken recipe not long ago, and I told you that the people or the person who requested for does not want anything pepper in the chicken. So this time around she requested again. I mean, it was the following week. You can see that she has fallen in love with it, and as I talk to you right now, she has requested more again, which I'll be sharing the recipe with you. Now what I will do is I'll just add my lemon juice, okay? We are not going to use any water to wash this or clean it, okay? We are just going to allow the lemon juice to be on the chicken. So I will ensure each thigh has the lemon juice on it, and then we can take it from there. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what I'm showing you, okay? Or you like what you are watching. So please do not forget to like the video, share to others. Now I have added my soya spice, okay? Remember, soya spice is spicy, so we are not going to add any pepper to it. Remember, I told you we don't want any pepper in there. She said no pepper because of the people she is going to give this to, okay? So I mixed my soya spice with my all-purpose seasoning. So the all-purpose seasoning contains pepper, ginger, garlic, my natural herbs and spice blend. If you come to my pantry, no one should tell you that I love natural herbs and spice. I have a lot of them in my pantry, so when I'm cooking I don't joke adding that to my recipes. ingredients. I have added more natural herbs to that. I added garlic olive oil. That garlic olive oil contains some flavor. Okay, it has some nice flavor. That is why I always add it to anything that I'm grilling. Even if I'm grilling or I'm roasting potatoes, I add some to it, and it adds some flavor and nice taste to it. So that is what I added. Now I'll go ahead and then add barbecue sauce. You remember the last video I brought you, I added barbecue sauce because the person told me she wanted it a bit sweet and she fell in love with it. So this time around I decided to add some to it again. The next thing I will be adding to it is my soy sauce. Okay, that is my soy sauce. I have added to it. Mix it very well and ensure that each thigh has some on it, and then massage it very well. I don't eat chicken or anything meat, so when I'm preparing my meat, I make sure I add the ingredients or all the seasoning, the spices that I'll be using. I add it to it bit by bit, okay, because I don't want to add it to it. I don't want to add all to it straight away, okay, so that after that I'll end up getting something messy, because I will not be able to taste it whether the salt is okay or it's not okay. So I make sure I stay focused. So if you see me adding anything again, that should be either garlic, ginger, or anything herbs and spice, and then my salt. Okay, if you want to use any seasoning, go ahead and then do so. Okay, yeah. Another way you can marinate your chicken or any meat is that just blend your fresh pepper, ginger, garlic, and then add any natural herbs and spice again that you want to add, or any spices, any seasoning, anything to it, and then massage or rub it on the meat. Okay, you can as well, after blending all those ingredients, you fry it on fire for some time with some olive oil or vegetable oil, and then you add it to the chicken. After that, you allow it to stay for a while before you proceed. So talking of allowing it to stay for a while before you proceed, as you can see, I have massaged the chicken very well. So we are just going to allow it to stay for some time, yes, before we proceed. Now it has stayed for some time, and what we are going to do is that we are just going to arrange all the chicken on our rack, put this in the air fryer, in the oven, or just grill this on charcoal, and you are good to go. But I am just going to put this in my oven. The heat we are going to use is at 350 Fahrenheit, and we are going to bake this or grill this till it is ready. Now our chicken is ready. Just look at that. Absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Till I come your way next time, always remember I appreciate you, and take good care of yourself. Merry Christmas in advance. I will see you in the next upload. You can't afford to miss it. I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.